and more at Stevie Tomatoes in Fort Myers, Naples, and Cape Coral, or online at StevieTomatoes.com. Come. Fat. You have a lot of choices when it comes to filing your taxes.
Let's do it on my back.
TaxAct starts up to 50% less than TurboTax. Double sweet. And TaxAct backs your return with a $100,000 accuracy.
Not much going on. Radio's on commercial right now, so I thought I'd film a little bit. Seems to be stuck on commercials for a minute. If I face you into the wind and keep talking, maybe you can't hear the radio. Don't want to get demonetized because I'm at the beach and somebody's playing a radio. I got it. Yeah. I got it. Talking about the boat I was just zoomed down. You know, it's a nice boat. Oh, a nice boat. I go for a walk, but I really don't feel like doing that. I'm about done here. My legs are getting really warm. We've been out here for an hour and a half. In the middle of the day at the beach. It's working on sunburn. I got my ears covered up. I got my head covered up. So, there'll be a woman walking in front of the camera in a second. Now the music's playing. I don't want to turn the camera anywhere else. Two old ladies looking for shells. It's been a good day at the beach. Nice breeze. Sun's definitely getting warm. That girl over there, she's pasty. That's what we've been calling her. She is white as it goes. And she's got a white top on. Well, it's not really white, but you can't really tell she's got a top on. I mean, from the back you can. Hopefully the music's not there. More birds. More birds. Alright, gonna turn you off. Afraid of the music playing too much in the background, so. Oh well, it is what it is, as far as I'm concerned. YouTube has a different theory about that, but it's a public radio station. Shouldn't it be public music? Whatever. See you on the flip side.